Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
On the Galaxy S24 Ultra, first enable the Lab's generative tools so Sketch to Image appears. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, then Labs and toggle the generative tools on. Sign into your Samsung account and ensure you are on Wi-Fi or 5G so the cloud model can process images. Update One UI to the newest release if the feature is missing. The toggle and a restart usually take less than 3 minutes. Now you're ready to draw. Prepare your sketch by opening Gallery or Samsung Notes and cropping to the aspect ratio you want, such as 1:1 for square output. Use the S Pen for finer control. A finger works but prefer S Pen for details. Draw simple, enclosed shapes and separate foreground strokes from background strokes so the model understands layers. Save the sketch as PNG with transparency or export directly from Notes. Accurate, clean lines yield the best result in the generative step. To convert your sketch, open the image in Gallery, tap Edit, then choose Generative Edit and pick Sketch to Image. Select a style preset, set the crop or ratio, and tap Generate. Processing typically completes in about 10 to 30 seconds depending on connection. Review the result and use Erase or Repaint to adjust specific areas or Regenerate to get alternate outputs. When satisfied, save as a new image or export. If colors or composition need tweaks, repeat with a refined sketch for better control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.